quick tutorial po para sa mga teachers part 1 using Microsoft Word. Okay. So, in printing, meron po siyang dalawang option para makapag-print. You may use your keyboard and then use Control-P command. Mapupunta ka sa ganyang option. Or, pwede rin naman, you may go here sa file. After clicking the file, look for the word print like that. And then after looking for the word print, just click the word print. And then after that, identify the printer or your available printer. In my case, I am using Epson L120. And then after that, you may identify for how many copies, kung ilan ang gusto mong kopyang ipiprint. Then at the same time, pages. For example, your document consists of 10 pages and ang gusto mo lang i-print is only page number 2. You may use number 2 here. Okay? Or maybe, let's say for example, gusto mo lang ang i-print ay page 2, page 4, and page 5. You may use comma. Okay? Yan. Next is, other options are here. Yung mga combo lang na ginagamit natin, no? The orientation, portrait orientation. 2 options lang po yan. The portrait and landscape, patayo at saka pahiga. And then the size of the paper, usually for a teacher, usually very common lang natin ginagamit ang size of paper is the legal, the short, and the A4. Then of course, the margins. You may select what kind of margins that is suited for your document. It's up to you. You may use wide, moderate, something like that. And also, you may hover here from printer properties wherein another options will appear. You may also select your size, document size. Yan, A4. So, pwede rin yan. Parang ganun lang sa una-una. The portrait landscape, same options. And then, if you want your printout be more like sharp, para maging mas malinaw, you may use high. Ayan. So, next, kung gusto mo naka-color or only black and white, select grayscale. And then, once done, all you need to do is to click OK or like that. And then, after everything is clear and you are satisfied with your document, you may finally click the word print and then let the printer do the job. That's it. See you for part 2.